feed a 7-month-old baby? Before starting a feeding plan for your 7-month-old, it is important to check with a pediatrician if the baby is ready to start with a solid diet. What to feed a 7-month-old? Begin with soft and mushy food that is soft to his gums, making it easy for him to swallow, and eventually make it chunky. Here are some foods for your 7-month-old to start with. Fruits and vegetables. 1. Small portions of pureed fruits like apples, pears, bananas, avocados, etc. 2. Cooked and mashed vegetables like potatoes, carrots, squash, broccoli, and pumpkin. 3. Soup with bite-sized, well-cooked chunks of peas, tomatoes, spinach, cauliflower, etc. Non-vegetarian. 1. Shredded bits of well-cooked, skinless chicken. 2. Fish and eggs. You must take an opinion from a doctor before introducing fish and eggs to avoid allergies. Egg whites are known to cause allergies. Other food items. 1. Porridge made with rice, lentils, and vegetables. 2. Oats and cereals made from whole grains. 3. Mashed pulses like chickpeas and kidney beans. 4. Baby food mixed with formula or breast milk. 5. Tofu and other foods rich in protein. You may invest in a steamer to make your cooking process easy. Frying and grilling should be avoided. How much milk is enough for a 7-month-old? The transition from breast milk or baby formula to solid food is going to take time. On average, a 7-month-old needs 3 to 4 feeds consisting of half to 1 small katory of solid food and 3 to 5 feedings of baby formula or breast milk. With solid food incorporated into the diet, the baby will have a fuller tummy and sleep well through the night. Feeding schedule. Here's a sample of a meal plan for a 7-month-old baby. The quantity of food can vary from child to child. Morning snack. Food item, breast milk or formula. Quantity, 150 to 180 milliliters. Breakfast. Food item, cereal mixed with formula or breast milk. Quantity, 5 to 6 tablespoons. Mid-morning snack. Food item, breast milk or formula. Quantity, 150 to 180 milliliters. Lunch. Food item, solid food. Quantity, half bowl. Afternoon snack. Food item, breast milk or formula. Quantity, 150 to 180 milliliters. Evening snack. Food item, solid food. Quantity, half bowl. Dinner. Food item, breast milk or formula. Quantity, 150 to 180 milliliters. Foods to avoid for a 7-month-old infant. Cow milk, honey, nuts, eggs and fish. Citrus fruits. Small food like grapes. Processed food. Salt and sugar till 1 year of age. You must keep track of any new food introduced and keep a check on allergies. Do not introduce multiple foods together. Keep a gap of a week between new foods to help develop the palate and recognize the preference of the baby. A proper feeding schedule can go a long way in developing the food habits in your baby. Make sure you create a healthy